The February 2022 update is out for Surface Duo. Let's talk about it. So this update's been available for about a week or two now, and I had a chance this past weekend to try out my Surface Duo with the new update on it. There's quite a lot packed into this little 500 megabyte update. Let's take a look. Some of the things this update covers are stability and performance enhancements on the operating system, an update which gives more stability to the Android Auto experience, and my favorite thing that this does now, it allows you to use the Android apps on your phone through the Your Phone app on your computer. So let's take a look at that. So going into the Your Phone app on your Windows computer, you'll see everything that you've normally seen if you use this program. You can see the name of your phone, your notification screen here, your messages screen, your photos screen, but now you have an apps screen. Now your app screen shows you all of the applications that are on your phone that you can use in Windows. Now I've pinned a couple up here to my favorites, which are pretty neat, and we're going to go into those in a moment, but you can go in here and pick out any of these apps, pull up news, and there's your news. You can pull up Snapseed and you can edit pictures. You can pull up YouTube Studio. And as long as the applications have been given their correct permissions, you can go in here and use this. It's quite amazing. Now, one thing I wanted to play with, because I was just curious, is my Office connects me to a thin client. And I just wanted to see if this would load Windows. And it looks like it is. So as you can see here, I'm using Windows on my Surface Duo connected to my Windows laptop using the My Phone app. That's really kind of cool. One thing that wasn't included in the update were enhancements to the camera. Now, I have a version of the Gcam app on my phone, but I was curious this weekend when I was out and about, and I decided to take some pictures using the stock camera app. And what I wanted to show you was this picture here. Now, I'm pulling this picture up inside the Your Phone app, but this came from my Surface Duo, and I took it with the stock camera app while I was out and about. This one as well. So yes, the pictures are noisy, but they are vibrant. And I honestly, if I'm not using this for taking pictures specifically, I don't have problems with the amount of noise that I have in these pictures. But I just wanted to show you that there wasn't really much of an update for that. A lot of camera work has to do with the person and not the camera. I'm not saying that you can get the same quality pictures you can with an S22 Ultra, obviously not, but you could still take some pretty decent pictures with this phone. And as far as the stability goes on the phone, I have noticed a great improvement on the stability of the OS, the speed at which the screens will change back and forth, and the ability of the screens to change and stay that way. The tap to switch screens seems to work a lot better for me. And I've only had one instance so far over the past weekend where this screen shut off when it wasn't supposed to shut off. So getting better, Microsoft. I can only assume that version 2 is better. I haven't delved into that realm yet because I'm waiting for a price drop, to be quite honest. I still don't think that this phone is a $1,500 flagship phone. So I'm kind of holding out until the price drops a little bit. And that is my deep dive into the Surface Duo February 2022 update. As always, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And if there's anything that I missed that you want to know about, please also let me know in the comments. I do try to answer every single one of your comments. Once again, this is Reviews for Nerds. I'm Bryant. Thank you for watching and have a great day.